How do I change my email address on VirtualStaff.ph? If you need to update the email address associated with your VirtualStaff.ph account, follow these simple steps to ensure your contact information is current and secure. Step-by-step guide to changing your email address. 1. Log into your VirtualStaff.ph account. 2. On the left-hand side panel, scroll down and click the three dots, ellipsis icon located at the bottom. 3. Select your profile from the menu. 4. In your profile details, locate the email field and click the pencil icon next to it to edit. 5. A dialog box will appear prompting you to enter your new email address. 6. Enter your new email address and submit. An OTP, one-time password, will be sent to the new email address for verification. 7. Check your new email inbox for the OTP, enter it into the provided field, and confirm the change. 8. Once verified, your new email address will be saved and used for all future official communications from VirtualStaff.ph. If you encounter any issues during this process or do not receive the OTP, please contact our support team for assistance. Remember, you're always just one virtual staff seat away from reliable, affordable staff.